previous video I have talked about what is measurement, then fundamental and derived quantity, how to measure the length of mass, or how to measure the mass, and how to measure length, how to measure time. I have already discussed. Today I am going to discuss some topics only. That topics are 1 standard kilogram. You may know what is kilogram. You already know what is kilogram. Then what means 1 standard kilogram? It means that the weight of mass of body that is accepted all over the world is known as 1 standard kilogram. And especially 1 standard kilogram means the weight of a body that is found to be, or that is supposed to be 1 kilogram. 1 standard kilogram is the weight or mass prescribed by the International Convention of Weights in France in 1779. It is the standard mass Similarly, another question also can be asked, that is 1 standard time, other 1 standard second, and 1 standard meter. Same means that is the units, or that is the SI units that are prescribed by the International Convention of Weights in France in 1779. And next topic is what is 1 standard second, or what is 1 second? What is 1 second? Means, what does it mean by the 1 second? We already know that 1 day contain 24 hours. We already know it. That 1 hour contain 60. 1 day contain 24 hours and 1 hour contain 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And 1 minute also contains 60 seconds. 60 into 60. 86,400 seconds. According to the definition, in one day there are 86,400 seconds. It means that 1 second is equal to 1 by 86,000 parts of the day. The 1 by 86,000 time of the day is known as 1 second. It is the 1 by 86,400 parts of the day. That is known as 1 second. Then almost we have completed all the topics. I have some questions which answer I am going to give. The questions may be accepted. Mostly in examination, question is asked from fundamental quantity or derived quantity, especially at mention it why the units, some units like meter square, meter cube, or physical quantities like area, volume, is derived quantity. Question is asked like this: why meter square is a derived unit? Why meter square is a derived unit? भन्नुको अर्थ हामीले मिटर स्क्वायरलाई किन चाहिँ डिराइभ युनिट भनेर भन्छौं भन्ने चाहिँ एउटा क्वेशन आउन सक्छ। यसको आन्सर लेख्नु पर्दा meter square is a derived unit. unit because अस्ति मैले डिराइभ गर्दा भनेको थिएँ कि फन्डामेन्टल क्वान्टिटीहरुबाट तानेर बनाइएको तिनीहरु फन्डामेन्टल क्वान्टिटीहरु मिलेर बनाइएको युनिटहरुलाई चाहिँ हामीले डिराइभ युनिट भनेर भन्छौं भनेर चाहिँ मैले भनेको थिएँ मीटर स्क्वायर इज अ डिराइभ युनिट बिकज it is derived from fundamental unit measure. के आन्सर लेखिदियो भने पछाडी आन्सर कम्प्लिट हुन जान्छ। यस्तै टाइपका विभिन्न अरु क्वेशन्स पनि आउँदछ जस्तै why meter cube is a derived unit, why Pascal is a derived unit. Pascals means Newton per meter square. It is derived from two different units, that meter also and another also. Like is this, our first lesson is completed. Then you can solve many questions from it in examination. Maybe questions of 1-2 marks and another half 1 marks is asked from this unit. We have already almost completed the unit. Mainly focus questions like this: what is measurement, what is derived quantity, what is fundamental quantity, how to measure the length, and conversion, and the why such type of units, different types of units is a derived unit, and so why different type of quantity is a derived quantity. Like the question, I have completed this unit. I will meet soon in next unit.